Yes, student. Now I am going to start new chapter from today. Although this chapter is not involved in third internal assessment, however, we have already performed many new revisions and questions of S block element. Therefore, now I am going to start P block element. Okay, student, P block element. Okay, that is the right side of the periodic table. There are six group starting from group number 13th to group number 18th. These elements are called P block element because okay, last electron enters in P subshell. P subshell. Except what? There is exception also. Except what? Helium. Okay, that is the 18th group element. In this element, its configuration is 1s2. That is the last electron enters in S block. However, it is placed with P block element. This is due to the Bohr and the quantum mechanics. Now, in this year, as I told you, there are 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18th group elements. Out of these, only 13th and 14th group elements are introduced in 11th class. That is, in this class, 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th. These are introduced in 12th class. So we will discuss and we will study, we will limit our study only up to group number 13 and group number 15. This is called boron family, this is called carbon family. Like this is boron and this is what? Carbon. So on the basis of their name, they are termed in that form. So now conventionally, I am starting very first the study of P block element as boron family. Called what? Boron family, or you can say group 13th elements. Group 13th elements. Student, group 13th elements involved. The first element is boron. Okay, it is positioned in second period while the group number belongs to what? 13th. Then the next element, its atomic number is 5. Sorry, here I am writing atomic number is 5. Next element is aluminium of third period, atomic number is 13. Then next one is called gallium. Okay, its atomic number is now add 18. So 13 plus 18 is equal to what? 31. Next element is indium. That is again add what? 18. So that will become what? 49. And the last element is thallium. Now you have to add what? 32. So 9 to 11, 5, 3, 8 atomic number is 81. Okay. This is the atomic number. Student, all of them are having the general configuration what? NH2NP1. This is the general configuration. That means what? In their general configuration, you can say one electron in P subshell. So its configuration become 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. Getting? What about aluminium? Its configuration will become, so belongs to third period. Therefore, its configuration will have 3s2, 3p1. Fourth period, therefore its configuration will become 4s2, 4p1. Then indium, this will be 5s2, 5p1. And the last element will become 6s2, 6p1. Getting? Rest of the configuration, I think you can write. It is very easy. Okay. Student, the general study about it. Boron is only non-metal. Of this group. Okay. It is black brown color, solid, having extremely and exceptionally high boiling point. Aluminium, that is the next metal. It is the very high abundant in our earth. Even its ore, bauxite ore, okay, it is present in very large quantity in our India. In fact, India is the importer of the aluminium. Therefore, aluminium is very important element. You know that the element aluminium is frequently used also in our home, that is kitchen. Okay, even the electrical conducting wire and even the aircraft body is also made up of aluminium. So it has wide range of application. Aluminium is a white solid metal, but its melting point is very less as compared to boron. However, it is high. Okay, next element, gallium, is a non is a metallite. Metallite means what? Having the property of metals as well as metallite. Okay, its boiling point is very less. Its melting point is only what? 303 Kelvin. 303 Kelvin, that is, if we convert it into degree Celsius, it will become what? 30 degrees Celsius. Means what? Below 30 degrees Celsius, it exists in solid form, but after 30 degrees Celsius, it becomes what? Liquid. Therefore, the isolation of gallium is very, very difficult. And that is why the Mendeleev were unable to isolate these elements. So he left the place that whenever the gallium metal will discover, it will be positioned in the fourth period of the 13th group. Getting? It was named earlier as Eka aluminum, but now we are able to isolate it. It is very, very costly because its isolation process require very tough and precious method, and therefore it is even more worthy as compared to the gold. Okay, 303 degrees Celsius. Indium and thallium are metal. Indium and thallium are solid metal, but their abundance is very, very less in the nature. So this is about some properties of p block element. Now the specific atomic property and their variation we will observe in the next video.